Welcome to Be Healthy. I'm Hussein Rod, and today I'm sharing 10 simple tips to lose weight without starving yourself or following a strict diet. If you're tired of diets that don't work, watch till the end. These small changes can really make a big difference. The 10 tips. 1. Start your day with water. As soon as you wake up, drink 2 glasses of warm water. It boosts your metabolism and reduces hunger throughout the day. 2. Eat slowly and chew well. Eating too fast makes you overeat. Take your time, chew well, and enjoy every bite. 3. Clean up your meals without depriving yourself. Swap fried food for grilled, cut down on white sugar, and use natural alternatives like honey or dates. 4. Plan regular meals. Have 3 main meals and 2 healthy snacks in between. Don't go for long hours without eating. 5. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 cups of water daily. Sometimes we think we're hungry, but we're just thirsty. 6. Move every day, even a little. You don't need a gym. A 20-minute walk, dancing, or even cleaning your house burns calories. 7. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep slows down your metabolism and increases hunger hormones. Aim for 7 to 8 hours per night. 8. Cut back on sugar and soda. Sugar is one of the biggest causes of weight gain. Try replacing it with natural drinks like lemon water or green tea. 9. Start small and stay consistent. Don't try to change everything in one day. Focus on building one habit each week. 10. Balance eating and enjoyment. If you crave sweets, have a small portion and enjoy it without guilt. Balance is better than restriction. That was 10 simple and easy tips to help you lose weight without extreme diets or feeling deprived. Let me know in the comments, which tip was your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Be Healthy for more health and wellness content. See you in the next video.